So now we'll take out the radiator. So to do so, we will unplug the let me show you. We will unplug this here, this connector right there. It's a big connector. We will take out the this hose there. Be careful not to break it. This is coolant, engine coolant going through that, so it's snapped both ends. Okay, so we gently take it off. Take out the electrical wire around it, and then we will take out the radiator. To do so, there is, if my mirror is right, there is only one screw on that hand. It's like, if you look from the top of it, it's hard to see. I'll get a light to show you. So here we have this hose that was clipped on the top of the radiator. Right, so that's been undone. I'm just using this thing here to clip it there, so it's gonna hold in place. The electrical wire was all twisted around, so gently you untwist it around it. There's another thing I forgot to mention. There is this hose there. It's going all the way down here. It's going all the way down to the intercooler, but it is clipped. I don't know if you can see it right here. There's a rubber, and the hose is clipped to the radiator. So on the process to take this up, to pull the radiator upward, you need to unclip that thing. So what works good is to use a big flat screwdriver. That used to work good in the past, so I'll do that. So I think I said radiator, but obviously I was talking about radiator fan, right? So you can see probably better that clip now. This clip is getting stuck with these ridges when you try to take it out. So with the screwdriver, gently, you need to pry it, you know, try to just gently take it off. So that's the side. This thing goes up like that. It was on like that. You can see the connector on top. So this is obviously going to need some cleaning. So that's the task I'm on right now.